Elsewhere around the world, a nationalist group from Japan demanding the removal of a statue dedicated to wartime sex slavery victims lost an appeal in the U.S. Supreme Court. Our Connie Kim zooms in on the ruling that puts an end to years of lawsuits over the issue that even saw the Japanese government get involved.
Japan has expressed its regret about the U.S. Supreme Court's decision against a Japanese group seeking the removal of a comfort woman statue in California, the first of its kind to be set up in the United States. Japan's Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshihide Suga said in a regular press briefing on Tuesday that regardless of the decision, Tokyo will continue to explain its stance on the issue to related officials in California. Still, the court's decision formally ends a controversy over the statue that was installed in the city of Glendale in 2013. The right-leaning Japanese group, Global Alliance for Historical Truth, made a series of requests to have the statue removed. It filed suit with a district court in Los Angeles in 2014 and the U.S. Court of Appeals in California in 2015, but the courts said the statue's removal will constitute a violation of the freedom of expression. Reflecting the Japanese government's interest in the issue, Tokyo had sent a letter of opinion to the U.S. Supreme Court calling for the statue's removal. Meanwhile, Japan is in the midst of a diplomatic row with Korea over the installation of a comfort woman statue near the Japanese Consulate General in Busan, which prompted Tokyo to recall its ambassador in January. The statue was installed to commemorate the first anniversary of a landmark deal struck by Korea and Japan in 2015 that sought to resolve the issue. While the U.S. court ruling is not related to the comfort woman statue in Korea, experts say the case showed Tokyo is determined to see the statues removed.
In the absence of the president, Seoul is not in a position to exert a diplomatic leadership. The Japanese government is taking advantage of the situation.
Experts speculate that Tokyo will continue to raise a statue issue with Seoul, likely worsening the already strained bilateral relationship. Connie Kim, Arirang News.